Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix flashlight not working in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and go in accessibility and scroll down, go to hearing section and click to audio and visual. Scroll down, here you can see the option of LED flash for alerts. Click on it. If you turn this button off, then turn this button on. After turning this button on, your flashlight will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then open settings again and go to general and check your software update. And here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating that, reset your phone. For reset your phone, press power button and volume down button at the same time and slide this icon to right side for power of your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open setting again and go in general and scroll down last. You can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it, reset all settings and enter your passcode here. After enter your passcode, it will be confirmed to reset all the settings. It will reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other app. It will destroy all the settings. After reset that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.